I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what is best for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I know you've already seen a little bit of our day so far. It is a few hours later. It is almost 12 o'clock. I got some work done, I showered, I got my workout in, I did all of that. Those donuts, literally so good. I ate a cup, like two of those little, like, I made donut holes with the middle part. So good. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Super easy. My kids were obsessed. So then we cleaned the kitchen. You saw all of that. We cleaned all that up and did all of that stuff. So now we are tackling the kids' rooms. Both of their laundry is in the dryer right now, or like washing machine and the dryer. I'm doing their sheets. I did ours yesterday. We were out all day yesterday. So typically I do all the sheets on Sunday, but where we were out and I need to wash all their comforters and all of that, I did theirs today and did ours yesterday, so that way it wasn't like gonna take forever. So this room and Austin's room needs a good mom clean, so I am getting in here and I'm going to get that done. But I hope you enjoy this day in the life video. We're just gonna be kind of hanging out, getting some random stuff done, making dinner, making donuts and just kind of hanging out, getting cleaning done, getting just kind of all the random stuff done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started in this room. Alexa, play New Country.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun-
Alright, I am actually still waiting for Austin's comforter to dry, which is wild that it's still not dry yet. But I am going to wrap up this video because the only other thing that I am doing is just cooking dinner. I'm making roasted sweet potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and steak tips. So, like the perfect dinner. I love it. So, I am doing that, and I have a friend coming over for dinner as well. So, I won't be filming anymore. What, honey? So I'm gonna go get dinner going, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.